Imagine this, you've been using Vivid for months, maybe even years. It's been a part of your daily routine, helping you focus, relax, or even boost your creativity. But now, you've decided it's time to quit. You're curious about the withdrawal process, how long will it last, and what can you expect? Let's dive in. Understanding Vivid withdrawals. Vivid withdrawals can vary significantly from person to person. Factors like dosage, frequency of use, and individual biology all play a role. However, there are some common symptoms you might experience. Physical symptoms, these can include headaches, nausea, fatigue, and changes in appetite. Psychological symptoms, you might feel anxious, irritable, or depressed. Some people may also experience difficulty concentrating or sleeping. Cravings, it's natural to experience cravings for Vivid, especially in the early stages of withdrawal. The timeline of Vivid withdrawal. While the exact timeline can vary, here's a general breakdown of what you might expect. Week 1, this is often the most challenging week. Physical symptoms like headaches and nausea are common. Cravings can be intense. Weeks 2 to 4, physical symptoms may start to subside, but psychological symptoms like anxiety and irritability can persist. Cravings may continue to be a challenge. Months 1 to 3, as time goes on, most people find that their symptoms gradually improve. Cravings may become less frequent and intense. Beyond 3 months, many people report feeling much better after 3 months of withdrawal. However, it can take longer for some individuals to fully recover. Tips for managing Vivid withdrawal. Create a support system, talk to friends, family, or a therapist about your experience. Having a support system can make a big difference. Healthy lifestyle, prioritize healthy eating, exercise, and adequate sleep. These can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Distraction techniques, find activities that help you stay distracted and avoid triggers. This could include hobbies, spending time with loved ones, or practicing mindfulness techniques. Consider professional help. If you're struggling to manage withdrawal symptoms on your own, it may be helpful to seek professional guidance. A therapist can provide support and coping strategies. Remember, you're not alone. Many people have successfully overcome Vivid withdrawal. Remember, you're not alone in this process. Be patient with yourself and seek support when you need it. The duration of Vivid withdrawal can vary, but with patience and self-care, you can successfully overcome this challenge. Remember, it's a temporary phase, and you'll come out stronger on the other side. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.